Syukur nak Khlem jong unongsan Hima.
Presiden ke Bharatiya Janata Party Meghalaya Rikman Momen habajuba Halor ke Jingtrei kam ki arngut ki MP ne Jilla Ulaong ke MP Natura Lok Sabha Constituency ke Agatha ki Sangma kamshim na Trei bha ban wanra ki kampen roy na ke Sarkar Pedeng ula bandrap ru da ke baong bakum ke MP kalade ban wanra si bun ki skim na ke Sarkar Pedeng na ke benta ke jing mentoy jong ki paj ba katura Hagbede baru MP ke Shillong Parliamentary Constituency uba Vincent H. Pala momen ulaong ba da tip namar day ne ke constituency but da pet than ya kom Trei kam jong ula benrap du de ka baong baki pai ba ke Shillong Lok Sabha Constituency ki tip khambha ka ei ka ba uba Vincent H. Pala ula le.
How do you see the performance of Vincent Pala as sitting Congress MP from Shillong Parliamentary seat?
His performance?
Yes.
I think his performance will be known mostly by you people only who is staying with him. Because he is from Kasias. I'm mostly from Kalawias. Recently only I have taken over as president of the state of Meghalaya.
But as a party, are you satisfied with his performance? How do you rate his performance?
I haven't interacted with him.
So, are you satisfied with her performance?
You cannot, right now I don't know, but the performance, according to what I feel, I don't think she have done a great job because the party, the people has to receive more center schemes, which she hasn't done it for the people.